everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to Dollar Tree Tuesday DIY. So today we're going to be making something that I've made before with glass ornaments, but I had all these little balls from the Dollar Tree, and so I decided I wanted to see if I can make this project with them. And so what we're going to be using some of the Dollar Tree balls. I'm going to be using some Epsom salt and some Mod Podge, which you just saw me haul, or maybe not, I'm not sure, but some double-sided tape, some ribbon, and just some decorations, some little bows, of course from all from the Dollar Tree, and some stickers from the Dollar Tree. So we're just going to put those to the side. And the only thing that's not from the Dollar Tree is these bags, the clear bags, and that's what we're going to package them in, and so I'll show you when we get ready to do that. So the first thing we're going to do is to set up our little station here. This is for Mod Podge, this is for Epsom salt, and what I'm going to be doing is adding some essential oil to my Epsom salt so that I can give these away as little gifts at my Christmas party. And so these make really pretty ornaments. I don't know how well it's going to work on plastic, but we're about to find out. So this is, it's called Holiday Peace by doTERRA Oils, and it's a beautiful all-natural woodsy scent. It's got Siberian fir, grapefruit peel, oil, Douglas fir, frankincense oil, vetiver, which is vetiver root oil, and it's just really a lovely scent, and it actually promotes calmness and well-being and peace. That's why it's called Holiday Peace. And if your holiday gets as crazy as my holiday, you need it. So I'm just going to put about 15 drops in here and stir it around, and I'll just test it out in a few minutes to see if that's enough. Now you could add food coloring or something like that in here. I just prefer to keep mine white because I'm going to all natural using my essential oils, and so I really don't want to put anything else in there with harsh dyes and stuff. And I think maybe just a couple of more drops, because this is a huge bag of Epsom salt. Well, it's the only size bag. It's a 16-ounce bag, so a pound of Epsom salt. So I'm just going to stir that in there and get that all ready to go. Oh man, does it smell good in here already. Okay, so then I bought these little things of Mod Podge from Dollar Tree because I really just didn't want to empty my big bottle out. And whoopsie. So I'm just going to empty those in my bowl here. It just makes it easier to get to. Okay, so I'm just going to put one bottle in there right now. And then the first thing I'm going to do is take the little tops off the ornaments like this and stick my finger in there. Now what you're going to do is you're going to make sure you get plenty of Mod Podge on here. Like I said, this is not a very difficult project, but I just wanted to bring it to you because it's something that is really nice for holidays. If you have these on hand, and if you have unexpected guests show up at your home, and they bring you that gift and you feel like you want to give them something back, this is a really nice and quick, easy little gifts to do, to have on hand. And like I said, I'm having a Christmas party, and we're having an ornament swap, but I thought it'd be nice to give everybody a little ornament with some holiday piece on it. So we got this essentially really good coverage of the Mod Podge, and I am just trying to rake some of the excess off. But you do want it pretty heavily on there so that everything will stick. And then we're just going to plunge it into the... Oh man, that just smells so good. They really do make lovely Christmas balls. And it looks like it's going to adhere to the plastic. So what I do is just kind of go around and pat it down. And if I see any areas that could use a little bit more Mod Podge, I go ahead and put it on there. And this is why I pour it out of the bottle too, because you obviously don't want to stick that in and out. Some of this will fall off, so you have to let it dry really good. And after it dries, if you want to come back and put a second coat on it, you can certainly do that. But I've always just done one coat. Seems to work pretty good. Okay. And I'm just going to tap it to get the excess off. And then we're going to sit it on our paper and let that dry, and we'll do another one right quick. But you know, it's real easy to do. Like I said, you get the hang of it. Now, if you'd like to try some of the holiday piece also, you can go to my website, www.mydoterra.com, and then / Donna Jackson, and you can get it from there. And I'll include that in the link below. I'm also making some of these for my Dollar Tree managers as well. They help me out so much during the year, making sure that I have the latest that comes in. So it's just really nice to just have a little something around. So you notice I am putting quite a heavy coat on it, because you do want enough Mod Podge on there to make it stick really good. Okay, we're going to do a couple together, and then I'm going to finish the rest of them, and we'll come back after we do this one, and I'll show you how we're going to package it after everything dries. Okay, so we're going to dip this in here again. Oh my gosh, I can't even begin to tell you what my house smells like now. It smells so good. I may actually take a bath in this. Because it's totally safe for that. It's just got the relaxing oils in there that bring peace. And after a chaotic day with kids sometimes and everything that this world brings, it's nice to relax. Okay, so I'm just going to set that one down and let them dry. Smells good. So I'm going to go ahead and finish these, and I'll be right back and show you how we package them. Okay guys, I am back and we are ready to package. Now to package these, I am using a clear bag, and it came from clearbags.com, and it is the size for 5x7 cards. So I think that is 5 7/16 by 7 1/4. So what we're doing is I'm going to take these. Now normally when I use clear bags like this, I would put everything at the top and it would seal at the bottom and it would go like this. But it doesn't work that well with these because you don't want to mess them up as much as possible. So I don't want to jostle them around trying to get them in there. So all I'm doing is taking some of this Dollar Tree garland, and they still have this. I got this last year, but they still sell this with their miniature trees. And I'm just going to cut off some. And I'm just going to create a little nest in the bottom of the bag. Get it all down in there. Okay. And then I'm just going to take my ornament and very carefully put it in. So it nestles down on the garland. And then we're going to close it. Sorry for that noise. That would be my dog drinking water. Okay. Now, to make this look pretty, we're going to take some of the wired edge ribbon I have. And I'm going to roll it out just a little bit longer than what the bag is. And you'll see why. Okay. And then we're going to fold it in half. And then I'm going to cut the edges of it. That's why I rolled it up a little bit longer. So it makes this nice little edge like this. Okay, then I'm going to be using my double-sided tape, and this is from Ubishing or something like that. Anyway, it's I think it's 1 inch wide tape, double-sided tape. I actually won this from a giveaway that Lollapalooza had, and this stuff has lasted me forever. I don't use it often, but I mean, except for when I'm doing some albums or something, or when I need to do a lot of taping down, because you know I use a lot of my wet glue, but this works perfect for this. And it's not hard to open the bag like, you know, glue is. I'm just going to take my scissors and rub across of that like this, just to make sure that tape is sealed down good. Okay. And then we're going to take this off. Whoops. See, sometimes it still doesn't get sealed down good. Alright, take 2. There we go. Oops, and I'm going to drop it. So I'm just going to take this and line it up with the tape and put it on the top of the tape. And then take the top piece off and just fold this one over. Okay. And remember those little stickers I said? Now I've done bows and I've done stickers and whatever. So I'm just going to pull this off and stick this in the middle. It says, "May your days be merry and bright." Okay, and so that's it. And then when you get through doing them, you can get one of the baskets, of course, from the Dollar Tree. I still have a few more to do. But you can put them in the basket and your guests can take one as they leave. Isn't that pretty? So, I love the way these how they turned out. I will say I had to wait about 30 minutes for them to dry really well. Only because they, I put the Mod Podge on so thick. But now normally I would when I put this out from my guest, I'm going to have tissue paper or something underneath it to raise them up a little bit. But I just love the way these come out. And I have one more thing that you can do. One more little gifty. Now, this, if you want to have a little gift, and like I'm making like little, some little spa baskets for my nieces and stuff, you can use your ornament and fill it with a scented Epsom salt like this. Don't put a hanger in it because you don't want them to think they can hang it because it's going to be heavy. But you might want to put a little ribbon through it or something like that. And then you can wrap it up the exact same way and put it in a little spa basket. But this smells really good. And all they do is open the top of the ornament and pour it into the bath. So that's just another way that you can use this. Now, I will tell you also, if you worry about the stuff falling off, some of it is going to fall off. But if you don't put oil in it, something that you want it to smell, if you take these out and spray them with acrylic sealer, they will not fall off any longer. But because I'm doing something natural, and most of my friends that are coming to my Christmas party are pretty much like me. They don't use chemicals and things like that. So I wanted to do this just with the essential oils, and it does smell really good besides. But if you're not using any kind of oils or anything, you absolutely can spray these with acrylic sealer, and then that'll stop any of them from falling off. So I really hope you'll give this a try. It's a lot of fun, and I answered my own question. Yes, they absolutely work on plastic ornaments and not just glass ornaments. But you can see I did some with stickers. I did this with a Dollar Tree little bow and the Christmas tree. But everything came from the Dollar Tree except for the bags, the Epsom salt, and everything else. So you can absolutely find everything you need to make these cute little baskets at the Dollar Tree. Hope you'll give them a try. And if you like this, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and make sure that you hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all again tomorrow with another craft for you. Bye.